Welcome to this tutorial on common regex patterns. Regular expressions are powerful tools for validation and data extraction. Today, we'll explore practical examples that you can use in your PowerShell scripts and everyday programming tasks. These patterns will help you validate user input, extract specific information from text, and process data more efficiently. Let's start with email validation, one of the most common use cases for regex. The basic pattern uses \w plus at \w plus dot \w plus. This matches word characters, followed by an @ symbol, more word characters, a dot, and finally more word characters. For a more robust solution, the enhanced pattern allows dots and hyphens in both the username and domain parts. It also ensures the domain extension has at least 2 characters. This pattern handles most real-world email formats you'll encounter. Phone numbers come in many formats, so we need flexible patterns. For United States format with dashes, use \D3 hyphen \D3 hyphen \D4. This matches 3 digits, a hyphen, 3 more digits, another hyphen, and 4 final digits. The flexible format pattern accommodates various separators like spaces, parentheses, hyphens, and dots. It requires at least 10 digits total, making it useful for international numbers or inconsistently formatted data. Validating URLs ensures users provide proper web addresses. The basic URL pattern starts with HTTP or HTTPS, followed by a colon and 2 slashes. It then matches the domain name, optionally a port number with a colon, and any path. The enhanced pattern includes support for query parameters with the question mark. It handles hyphens in paths and allows for complex URL structures you'll find on modern websites. Date formats vary by region and application. The month-day-year format uses \D2/\D2/\D4. This matches 2 digits for month, 2 for day, and 4 for year, all separated by slashes. The ISO format pattern uses year-month-day with hyphens instead. This is the international standard and works well for sorting dates chronologically. Choose the pattern that matches your data source or requirements. Strong password validation improves security. The minimum 8 characters pattern simply ensures the password has at least 8 characters of any type. For stronger security, use the complex pattern with lookaheads. This pattern requires at least 1 letter, 1 digit, and 1 special character from the set at $!% ##. The .8 comma matches any character repeated at least 8 times. This ensures passwords meet common security requirements. IP addresses need validation for network configurations. The basic IP4 pattern matches 4 groups of 1 to 3 digits separated by dots. However, this allows invalid numbers like 256. The accurate pattern restricts each octet to 0 through 255. It uses alternation to check for values from 250 to 255, 200 to 249, or 0 to 199. This ensures only valid IP addresses pass validation. Extracting credit card numbers requires care and security awareness. Visa and MasterCard use 16 digits, often formatted in groups of 4. The pattern matches 4 digits, an optional space or hyphen, repeated 4 times. Word boundaries prevent matching parts of longer numbers. American Express cards have 15 digits in a 465 format. Always handle credit card data securely and comply with PCI DSS standards when working with payment information. File paths differ between operating systems. Windows paths start with a drive letter, colon, and backslash. The pattern then matches folder names separated by backslashes, avoiding invalid characters like asterisks and question marks. Unix and Linux paths start with a / and use forward slashes as separators. The pattern matches any characters except slashes and null bytes. These patterns help you extract file locations from logs or process file system operations. You've now learned essential regex patterns for common validation and extraction tasks. Practice these patterns with real data to build confidence and understanding. Start with simple examples, then gradually work with more complex text. Remember that regex is a skill that improves with practice. Experiment with variations, test edge cases, and adapt these patterns to your specific needs. Happy pattern matching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.